How to add Bamboo on Trust Wallet app. Are you guys facing issues to add Bamboo on your Trust Wallet app? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Trust Wallet app on a mobile device. Once you open up the app, now look at the top right corner of your screen where you can see this icon. Click on it. Now tap on search bar and search for Bamboo. To add Bamboo on your Trust Wallet app, toggle this option over here. Once you toggle it, now go back to your Trust Wallet homepage. Scroll down. Now click on Bamboo. Now again tap on Receive. With the help of this QR code and wallet address, you'll be able to receive Bamboo from different crypto wallets. And that's it guys, that's how we're gonna add Bamboo on Trust Wallet app. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next one. Bye bye.